What's going on, traders? What's up, team? Hope you're all having a good time. It's Raphael back at the charts again, and in today's video I want to talk about a trade that I shared with the inner circle of our team, with all the masterclass students, and I'm going to pick the 2 winners for the giveaway that I wanted to share on Monday. But I was flying back to Cyprus. As you can see, I'm back home in Cyprus. And the day before that, on Monday, I was spending some time with family, you know, had some fun at the golf course, played top golf. It was so much fun with my niece, and yeah, we had a good time. And on Tuesday I was flying, so I didn't find time. I was making barbecue with some friends when I arrived and stuff like that. And I picked up my car from the detailer, guys, and he really did a good job. It looks completely like a new car. I want to show you real quick. Look at that. Everything looks so nice, so clean, like it's new, like a brand new car. It's so good, beautiful. I'm sure many of you have already seen what's under the hood, but the car detailer, he made sure that everything is nice and shiny again. You see that? Looking good. And he even painted these parts in here. They were yellow before that. They were yellow. Now it's all black, and it fits pretty good, I would say. Fits pretty good. Looks super aggressive. Look at that beauty, man. I fell in love again. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you, I fell in love again. Look, the interior, everything is nice and shiny. I'm really happy about the result with the car, with the Wrangler. And anyways, guys, let's talk about today's trading session. Let's get in front of the laptop. Let me show you exactly what was happening today, because I shared a pretty nice trade with all my students. I was able to bank around more than a 2-to-1, maybe 2.5 to 1 risk reward ratio. It was beautiful, around 5% or something like that. Yeah, let's get straight into the charts. Let's check it out. So as you can see on the right side, my Discord channel, where I'm sharing my trading entries, my trading ideas, entries and exit, and how I'm managing the trade. And as you can see today, I shared this Nasdaq, this buy on Nasdaq. We took profits in here. Then I was waiting for the push above this equal highs. I'm going to get into the charts in a second. And yeah, collapsed the trade on perfect timing. Now it's turning around. Should be a great sell-off right now, for real. Like, you should really thinking about selling this thing right now. But let me shoot the video. On the left side you see my Telegram channel, where I'm sharing pretty much the same stuff, but I'm sharing it on the Telegram and Discord. So whatever is better for my student, he can decide on his own where he wants to follow. Alright, so Nasdaq, guys, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, daily chart, guys. Look at that big downward trend. It's a big downward trend, a big downward trend, but doesn't mean that we have to just sell it. If there's an opportunity to buy it, you can buy it as well. As a day trader, we get in and out pretty quick. So hourly chart, what's happening? This is today's movement, this is today's movement, this is yesterday's movement, and we had like a huge gap in here. The opening from Monday to Tuesday, we had a huge gap, and I was pretty sure that we were going to touch this gap, because that's how the market works. If it works so inefficient, and if it leaves like a big gap, sooner or later they're gonna fill the gap. So I was expecting like a little move to the upside before they're gonna drop again. And let's check the 15-minute chart. We build it up. We build up equal highs in here, as you can see. I mean, this one already got touched, and then we turned around a little bit. But overall, before this, just before this huge gap in here and this last move to the upside before we had that gap. Within this, before that area, we had a nice equal highs where a lot of stops are sitting from the sellers, and I expected the market makers to hunt these stops before they want to continue to drop, and I was interesting for the market to get back into the 11,950 area, somewhere in here, and then looking for a reversal pattern to take this thing to the downside, as it is an overall bearish trend. And yeah, finding an opportunity with the overall trend would be the best thing that you can have to maybe get a really big runner. But let's talk about my entry scenario today. Let's check the 2-minute chart, what we got on the 1-minute chart. So what was happening in here? As you can see, this was today's movement. Market came down. New York open is around 8:30 in here. This is when New York open. No, New York session started. So New York session started with a slash down. So we slashed down, tricked some sellers into the market, then instantly got rejected. And for me, this was the moment when I was like, okay, they are getting ready to hunt the buy side liquidity, because we have some equal highs in here, and this equal highs just before this huge gap, and this gap needs to get filled or at least get touched. This is what I expected, and this is how the market normally works. So I was waiting for this kind of reversal pattern, and I mean, we had like this liquidity grab and a clear reaction in here. This was enough for me to go long. Put my stop below that. And on 9:30, when the stock market opened, we had this nice push to the upside. I took first profits, closed around 75% of my position, around 70% of my position, then moved my stop to break even, waited for the market to go for another runner, and as soon as we slashed through these equal highs in here, I was taking everything off the table, and now I'm pretty much interested in selling this thing. But as I already banked a lot of money today, I'm not willing to sit in front of the screen right now and sell this thing, because I already made my money, and I think we are going to push a little bit more to the upside before we really going down. So I'm patiently waiting on the sideline, waiting for the market to hit that last zone, that last push to the upside that tricked some buys into the market before we had this crazy gap on Tuesday. And yeah, I'm waiting for the market to tap into that zone again, and then I'm looking for a reversal pattern, and then maybe ride this thing to the downside. Let's see. For now, yeah, it looks pretty bearish to me, but we are trying to get some more buys into the market before they get into the big sell-off. Right now it is around New York lunchtime, so lunchtime, crunch time. I'm not interested to do something. Late New York session, we probably are going to see another push into that zone and then a drop, but I'm not going to trade that. I'm just gonna watch it. I'm happy with the first 1 or 2 hours of the New York session, and if I get something nice, I'm out for the day. That's how I like to trade. And this is how you should trade as well. If you catch a good fish, a big fish, you know, just stop for the day, enjoy your day, follow your hobbies, do something that you love, and be happy with the profit. That's all I can say. Don't get too greedy, and don't risk your profits if you have a nice runner. I mean, if it's a clean setup, if the setup is good, if it fits to your analysis, if it fits to your trading plan, of course you can trade, no problem at all. But I like to enjoy my life off the charts as well. Like the work and life balance is very important for me, so I think I'm not going to sell it, but let's see. I need to grab some food first, and I will have an eye on that one, and maybe I'm going to let you know if I'm selling this one. I mean, if we touch that 12,000 area somewhere in here, and if we get a nice Nice reaction to the downside. I mean, maybe we are going to go above like last week's high on, what is that? Like this is Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, this is Friday. Maybe we are going to get above Friday's high and then get the reversal. Let's see, guys, let's see. I will keep my eye on it. For now, it looks a little bit like it wants to go down, but there's no volume involved. So I'm not involved as well. I'm watching, guys, and let this thing develop. So next thing we do is pick the giveaway winners. We are going to pick 2 winners, guys. I told you, you have to drop comments under my last 2 YouTube videos, and if I'm going to pick you today, and if you're not inside the inner circle, inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course yet, I'm going to put you inside the Masterclass course with lifetime membership in our inner circle group chats. Or if you are already inside, if you already got the Masterclass course, and if you're already studying it, and if you're already inside the inner circle, then you're going to get a $10,000 FTMO funding challenge. That means you get the chance to show the prop firm FTMO that you can trade, and yeah, then they are going to give you $10,000 to trade with, if you can prove to them that you are able to make consistent gains in the market. So once again, this is the Genius Trading Masterclass course, guys. You will find the link down below in the description. Check it out. It has everything that you need to become a consistently profitable trader. All my strategies, everything that I use to make money in the markets, that my students use to make money in the markets. You are going to learn everything about market maker manipulations, how to spot them, and how to ride the wave with the big banks who are controlling the market. And yeah, pretty much everything. Even if you have no idea about Forex, this thing will show you exactly what you need to do to make money and to live your life on your own terms. So let's get into it. So we have the YouTube random comment picker. I'm going to pick this video first. Let's put it inside this thing here, filter the duplicate users, and then I need the chapter. Okay, so let's see how many unique commenters we have. We have 584 unique commenters. Let's pick the first winner, guys. Who it is? Victor Knight, my man. You got the first win today. If you're already inside, let me know, and you're going to get the $10,000 FTMO challenge, and you can work on getting funded. Or if you're not inside yet, then just make a screen record, find this comment, show me that you can edit the comment, that it's your YouTube account, and then I'm going to get you inside the Masterclass course, and of course invite you in our group chat, the Inner Circle group chat with all my students. So the second video, what do we have in here? Let's see. Let's check how many unique commenters we have. 573. Let's pick the second winner for today, the last one. We have Slime Marley. Congratulations, buddy, you are the second winner. Just make sure to send me the screen record, and then I'm going to put you inside and get you all that good stuff. Let's get it, guys. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting the channel. I'm very happy to have all of you inside the community. I love you all, and I hope that I can help a lot of people out there to finally make money in the markets, understand the markets better, and create their edge in the market, and yeah, live life on their own terms. This is what my goal is for you. I want to help people around the world and yeah, make the change. I mean, in these hard times, it's not easy to find a good job, a good paying job. Then you have inflation, it hits, everything gets more expensive, and people need to learn a high skill set, a high paying skill set. You need to learn a high paying skill set if you really want to survive and have a good life and have a good time in these times. So that's what I'm here for, guys. If you need my help, drop me a private message in Telegram. You will find the link down below in the description, and I'm happy to help you guys. As soon as I find time, I'm going to answer all your chats. I'm going to give you my best advice, my best tips. Tell me where you struggle, and I'm trying to help you out and give you my best advice and change the game for you and get on top. Let's get it, guys. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your day, and see you in the next video. Peace. Bye.